look at this. So you can see the police gone by already. And welcome back to a brand new video. So today is Friday and the farmers are arriving in Blackpool for Farmers Weekend. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a bit of a walk around this afternoon and just see how many people's arrived, what's open, what's going on and things like that. So come and join me on the eve of Farmers Weekend. So we're just near Walkabout, Crazy Horse and all those little pubs and clubs and things. So as you can see, the farmers have already started to arrive. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a walk past Pop World, pop onto the promenade, into town and see what's going on today then. And you can see all the people for this Farmers Weekend look, and it's only about 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see it's getting absolutely busy already. So imagine what it's going to be like about 10, 11 o'clock at night. So like I say, it's about 2 o'clock on a Friday. So just near Pop World, as you can see, and we've even got people dressed up as cows. Look at that one. So we'll keep going a bit further and see what is going on. Look at this, so you can see the police gone by already, and it's not even started. There's the cows dressed up, as you can see. This is just near the counting house, and as you can see, it's really starting to get busy. Like I said, it's so early as well. It's only about 2 o'clock. Look at this. So just having a walk near Yates as well. I can see that's starting to get busy as well. So like I said, another 6-8 hours time is going to be absolutely heaving on the eve of Farmers Weekend. So you can see we've got the Weatherspoons there, that's getting busy already. And then we got the bowling as well, look at that. So there you go into Brannigan's bowling. The Revolution, you see, is getting absolutely packed. So they'll probably all come off the trains and things like that. So like I said, we're going to hop into town and see what it's like in town. So you see, they're all coming down in the hats, probably travelling from sort of the town area, coming down to the promenade. Just approaching near the Grand Theatre, things like that. You can see everyone's making the way down.
Ignore it, she's afraid. She's fun.
Just gonna have a pop up a little bit further up near St John's Square and just see what's going up near St John's Square today. So there's Durham House. You can see they're all congregating around there. That's where they're getting the tickets and just a big meet-up. But yeah, that's near the Winter Gardens as well. I think it's going to be a bit of a busy one for them lads this weekend. Plenty of overtime, I think. So just approaching St John's Square now, and as you can see, there's not that many farmers around this one, but there is getting a bit of work done, looks like, just near Virgin Money. So there are actually parks on them little waterfall feature things. So it looks like there's Bit of work going on there. Got the old shovel and spades and things, as you can see. So we'll just have a quick look up this street. You see, it's a busy life. I think these are all locals, really, rather than the farmers. You see more of the farmers and everything arriving as well. So like I said, we're going to hop onto the promenade and just see how busy it is on the promenade as well. There's the North Pier as well, as you can see. So just walking on the front now, near the promenade, going northways. See Pop World. There's people already going in there, and they're all in good spirits at the moment. You can see they've got the old bouncers there. Yeah, so we'll carry on a little bit further. It's coming to a bit of a close, this video. So yeah, we'll keep going a little bit further for the time being. So this little space here on a railway station, so Queen Square, is going to be absolutely heaving tonight. And so another 6 hours time, if we pop out later on, it's going to be absolutely busy. So these little shops will be closing for the night soon, I'd imagine. But they do sell all little goodies as well. So that is the end of today's video. So we might pop out later on because it's going to be heaving later on. So it's just a bit of a walkthrough on the eve of Farmers Weekend. So yeah, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, doesn't cost anything, and come and join me later when we venture out again later on.